At Dust Rub, you can puff up morsels of goodness just like the pros do. It can be used on beef, pork, chicken, wild game, vegetables, about anything you can put in a smoker or an oven on a grill. Remember, Red Dirt Rich Barbecue. Only smoke the best barbecue.
Hi, my name's Heath with Heath Riles Barbecue. You can find our award-winning championship rib recipe in this month's subscription box of the Grill Masters Club. You can also subscribe and have these boxes delivered monthly to your door with award-winning products. And grill like a pro, like the rest of us. You know what I'm saying?